Today we are making small batch cornbread. It's sweet, it's buttery, it comes together in minutes, and it's the perfect amount for 2 to 4 people. Hi, I'm Leanne from YourHomeBasedMom.com. Join me in the kitchen as we make small batch recipes with big taste. Now, cornbread is the perfect accompaniment to so many different meals, but I particularly like it with my small batch chili, which you can find right up here. But it's great with all kinds of soups, ribs, brisket, you name it. So we're gonna start by melting a 1/4 cup of butter in a bowl. Now, I just did it in my microwave. We're gonna add in 6 tablespoons of cornmeal, and then 6 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I've got 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, along with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're gonna mix that all together. And then we're gonna add in 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. I always like to use buttermilk if possible. If not, go ahead and just use regular milk, but I think buttermilk and cornbread helps make it more tender and gives a great flavor. Just mix until it's all combined. All right, for my cornbread, I'm gonna use this 9x5 little baking dish, but you can also, if you've got a small cast iron skillet, that will work too. Now I've put a tablespoon of butter in here. We're going to pop this into our oven as our oven preheats to 350 degrees and our butter is going to melt. Make sure you pull it out as soon as the butter is done melting. Then just add your cornbread batter into the pan with the melted butter. I told you this was easy. And then it's gonna go back into the oven for 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake until it's golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean in the middle. Let the cornbread cool in the pan for a few minutes, then slice yourself a piece, grab some butter, some honey, a big bowl of chili, and enjoy. So good.